Hello and welcome to Ocean Games. So in this video tutorial series I am going to show you how you can add a new furniture to the furniture list in our AR furniture content. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is go to AR furniture, blueprint and meshes folder, then furniture. So this is the list of all the furnitures are available right now. So I have added all the furnitures from my meshes. I have didn't add this to furniture so that I can demonstrate you how easy it is to add a new furniture. So the things you need is a UI image for showing the UI so that you can select it from the list and static mesh. Okay, so first thing you need to do is so this is option. I am copying the name from this mesh so that I have a same class name. Okay, so duplicate it, the child class, then rename name it bp underscore whatever you want. You can give name whatever you want. Okay, so I am going to give you this class a name wooden table 03. Okay, so create a class, open it up, and then select change its image and UI image that is located in the default section. If you click on this base class, okay, so you will see the UI image variable in the default section. So change it with your own image that you want to display in UI. So this is the image and change to mesh. Okay, so this is the first step, change UI image. And actually it's second step. First step is to create a duplicate class of a child class, then second step is to set its variable. Okay, so it's compiling shadow. Okay, so the second step is to set variables, and the third step is to go to gameplay framework, default and player, and simply add here, simply add this new class to this variable called furniture list. Okay, so add a new list and select the class you have just made. Okay, so it will be added at the end of your list. So now if you play, let me just open up default map. Okay, now as you can see there's a new option for us to select from AR furniture list. Okay, now let's add one more so that you have better idea of what I'm talking about. So as you can see the last uh, element of our list is this one, wooden table 3. So now add one one more element. Okay, so go to the meshes furniture, and here are the all furnitures we have. So this is the last one, wooden table 4. Okay, first of all now it's optional. You can I am just copying the name so that I have, for some reason it's saying that it's 2, but okay, it's fine. Okay, so go to the meshes folder and here. Okay, so as I said you need two things, image and static mesh. Okay, okay, so the first thing is to duplicate a class. I will name it 04. Okay, now second step is to change mesh and image. Okay, so let me close it down. Okay, so this is the fourth class. Add a image, UI image, and add a mesh. Okay, select a mesh you want to add. Okay, so this is the fourth table. Now for the third step, go to bp underscore player located at the blueprint game framework and default. Okay, and add a new element in the array of future list variable, furniture list, sorry, furniture list variable. Okay, add a new element, and then select a class you have just created. In our case it is blueprint wooden table 04. Compile it, save it. Now test it. So at the end, as you can see, we have a new class, sorry, new option for spawning a table furniture. Okay,